Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to get an SC certificate in central government format. This guide will walk you through the entire process, ensuring you understand each step clearly. Obtaining this certificate is essential for accessing various central government schemes and opportunities. We will cover everything from eligibility to final issuance, making the application process straightforward for you. Stay tuned to learn how to secure your certificate efficiently and correctly. To begin, you must first confirm your eligibility for an SC certificate. This typically involves verifying your caste status and residency requirements. Next, gather all necessary documents. You will need proof of identity, such as an Aadhaar card, and proof of address, like a utility bill. Crucially, prepare your caste proof, which might be an affidavit or an existing state-level certificate. Ensure all family details align for a smooth application. The application process starts by obtaining the official form from your local district or subdivisional magistrate's office. Carefully fill out every section, providing accurate personal and caste information. Remember to attach all your supporting documents, ensuring they are attested by a gazetted officer if required. Once everything is complete, submit your application to the designated authority. A small application fee, typically around 25 to 50 rupees, might be applicable. After submission, your application undergoes a thorough verification process. Local revenue officials will investigate your caste status and residency claims, often involving field visits. Be prepared for potential interviews or requests for additional information. Respond promptly to avoid delays. Once verified and approved, your central government format SC certificate will be issued. This process typically takes between 30 to 60 days, depending on the local administration's efficiency.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.